Hey fam, the word of encouragement for today is seek ye first the kingdom of God and all his righteousness, and all things shall be added unto you. What's up fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole and I am back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to detangle your wave Nouveau. So I had a question from Julia Willingham and I just wanted to respond and answer your question. So without further ado, let's jump right in. I know you're probably like, sis, you looking crazy. And I am looking crazy right now. I just wanted to come on here and show you. I know it's probably like a big echo in here. Hopefully it's not too bad. I'm in the bathroom. But this is what I use. So it's the mane and tail detangler. I never read it. I literally went on Amazon and just bought it because I used to use mane and tail back in the days and I stopped using it. Like when I had a relaxer, I used to use mane and tail. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate what I'm about to do because your girl has not combed her hair in about 2 days. So let's just jump right in. Alright, so first things first, you want to make sure you have a wide tooth comb, and that's what I got. I mean, you could get this at any beauty supply store. You could probably get this on Amazon. If I find it on Amazon, I'll definitely leave you a link for that so you can go ahead and pick that up because you know 2-day shipping is beautiful. So I'm going to just start spraying my hair, and it feels really good. Like I got to pick up some more because this thing is half empty. So and when I said to use conditioner, because I did tell you to use conditioner as well. When I say use conditioner, that means in the shower. Like when your hair is wet, you put some conditioner on and then you comb it through. I mean, look, my fingers is gliding right through. So this is one side of my hair and this is the other. So if this is what you're talking about and you're worried about tangles, girlfriend, wet this thing and run your fingers through. Like, look at that. So it just glides right through. So you definitely want to pick this up. You definitely want to get this, like, look, it just right through. I didn't even have to go really from the ends because I know I told you to go from the ends to the root because that's the proper way to comb your hair. But you know, we get so tied up with life that we're like raking through our hair and trying to get to where we need to go. But yeah, that's really it. So let me get this other side. Now the back is a little kink. So we'll see how this takes to the back. Because most times I just jump right in the shower and add conditioner. But I said, let me come on here for my sister. My sister Julia. Hey Julia. I hope this video finds you well. Ooh. So look, see, now the ends are tangled, but look, it came right out. It's coming right out. No rips. Like if you hear anything, that is my roots. Why? Because I have to I have to do this wave Nouveau again, guys, and I just haven't gotten around to it, so I will be picking up the product. I'm not sure if I want to do the wave Nouveau again or use, what is it, Carefree Curl? Because Carefree Curl smells amazing. Like the gold line, like that thing smells amazing. It's like candy. So being that I already have a wave Nouveau, even though it's the same product, it's like you don't want to mix and match, you know what I mean? So as far as the activator, you can put any activator on your hair, but as far as the chemical is concerned, that's like putting one type of relaxer in your hair, and then you're not sure about that, and then you go and switch it up and change to a different relaxer that doesn't like your hair, and now your hair is all over the place. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I just lost as far as hair is concerned, and that's with the detangler. Oh, it's cold. I think I missed a spot. Okay now. Okay. It's slippery, so like once you spray this stuff, it's really slippery. So oh my god, I'm sorry that it was like slipping all over the place. But yeah, so this is, you know, touching your hair and stuff like that. That's the kind of slip it has. I know you can't feel it, but I'm just saying. So I'm gonna turn around. Hopefully you guys can see this. So this is what it's looking like. And I combed it in the back. I combed it thoroughly. And yeah, this is what I wanted to come on here today and show you guys. Just so you guys know how to detangle your wave Nouveau. So that's pretty much what this video is probably going to be called. How to detangle your wave Nouveau. And I will see you guys in my next video. I gotta jump in the shower because your girl got some things to do today, okay? I love you guys. Bye. Okay, fam. So if you guys out there have any other problems with this wave Nouveau, hit your girl up. Let her know. I am a licensed cosmetologist and I will be happy to help you and we could work this thing out together. Okay, sis? Or bro?